Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Ear infections. Ingredients: 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 5 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of mullein oil, and 1/4 cup olive oil. Instructions: in a small saucepan, add 1/4 cup of olive oil and 2 to 3 crushed cloves of garlic. Heat the mixture on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Let it cool and strain out the garlic cloves with a cheesecloth. Ensure all the solids are removed. In a clean, sterilized dropper bottle, combine 1 tablespoon of the garlic-infused oil with 5 drops of tea tree oil and 5 drops of mullein oil. Close the bottle tightly and shake it well to mix the ingredients. You can store in a cool, dark place for up to 1 week. How to use it: lie on your side with the affected ear facing upward. Using a clean dropper, use 2 to 3 drops and place directly into the ear canal. Keep your head tilted for a few minutes to allow the drops to penetrate deeply into the ear. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times daily for about 10 days. Note: always test on a small unaffected area of the skin to ensure there is no allergic reaction. It is important to seek medical attention for severe or persistent ear infections. If the pain becomes severe, there is discharge from the ear, fever, or hearing loss, consult a healthcare provider immediately. And how it all works. Olive oil acts as a carrier oil for the garlic and other oils. It is also soothing to the ear. Garlic contains allicin, which is an antimicrobial that can help kill the bacteria and fungi responsible for the ear infection. Tea tree oil has terpenes that have potent antimicrobial properties as well. It can kill viruses, fungi, and bacteria, as well as fight inflammation to reduce the swelling and discomfort in the ear because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Mullein oil is an anti-inflammatory that helps relieve pain and inflammation associated with an ear infection. It may also have mild antimicrobial effects to further support the body's ability to fight off the infection. It's also soothing to the ear canal. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.